Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Statistics. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. And the given data is like age in years in one column and number of policyholders in another column. So below 20, 2 policyholders are there, below 25, 6, below 30, 24, below 35, 45, below 40, 78, below 45, 89, below 50, 92, below 55, 98, and below 60 years, 100 policyholders are there. So guys, let us see how we are doing the calculation for finding the median age. So here we are going to find the median of the given data. And if you look here, the data is given like this. If you look here to this table, the data is given like this, like age in years. So they have given below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40. So like this they have given the data, and in another column they have given the data like number of policyholders like 2, 6, 24, like this they have given. And guys, if you look to the right hand side of the column, that is number of policyholders, you could see that this number of policyholders are increasing 2, 6, 24, 78. They are increasing gradually, and at the end we got 100. So this is what it looks like. This is the cumulative frequency they have given. So sometimes in the question, instead of frequency, they also give us the cumulative frequency, and we need to find out the frequency from this while doing our calculation. Now guys, moving to the age in years column. If you look here in age in years column, we could see that they have given below 20, below 25, below 30. So like this, but our job is to convert this one to a particular series of data, like particular lower limit and upper limit we need to identify from this. If you look here, like we have below 20 and then we have below 25. That means the next data that will come lies between 20 to 25. Similarly, it is the third row where it is saying below 30. Below 30 means the data lies between 25 to 30. So like this we need to convert this to a series where there is a upper limit as well as a lower limit. Once we convert this one to a upper limit as well as to a lower limit, then it becomes very easy to do our calculations. Wherever in the question, if you see somewhere wherever it is given like below, or in some questions you could see also there is above. So wherever we get a data like this, we need to convert it to a particular class interval or class size. Once we convert it, then it becomes easy for us to do our workouts. Now let us see how we are doing our calculation. So guys, now look here to the screen. Here you will see the data in the in a particular format where, as I told you, that we need to develop the series from the given below data. As I told you that we need to develop a particular series from the given data. So guys, if you look here to this data, it will be more easy and you could understand how we are going to move ahead in doing the calculation for finding the median. Because the question asked us to find the median of the given data. Now you could see that I have arranged the given data in a tabular format, and I have also converted the data that was given like below 20, below 25, below 30 to a given series or to a class interval where there is upper limit as well as to lower limit. Now after converting the data to the particular format, now let us find out the frequency, because I told that they have given us the cumulative frequency. Because if you see, these numbers keeps on increasing, 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, and it keeps on increasing. These numbers are not haphazardly written, but these numbers are keeps on increasing. So this gives us a picture that okay, they have given us the data, they have given us the cumulative frequency, and we need to find out the frequency. So how we are going to find out the frequency? Finding frequency is again the very easy, and it is a very similar format how we find out the cumulative frequency. So here we have 2. So just I'm writing down here as 2. Now they have given 6. So just we need to subtract 6 from 2. We will get 4. and here they have given 24. We need to subtract 6 from it, we'll get 18. That means what we are doing from the given data, just we are subtracting the number from the above row. From the data or from the number that we are picking up, we are just subtracting the number from the above row. Suppose for example here it is 45, we are going to subtract 24 because the above row data is 24. So 45 minus 24, we will get 21. So like this we can do our calculation and we can find out. So 33, 11, 3, 6 and 2. So this is what we got the total of the data, total of the frequencies we got. What are the numbers we got? We got 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. Now guys, if we add this all together, we will get, definitely we will get, what we will get? We will get 100. So this is the data, this is the total frequency, sum of frequency is 100. So we are able to extract the frequencies from the given cumulative frequency data. Now, as per the question, we need to, as per the question, what we need to do? As per the question, we need to find out the median. So the question asked us to find out the median. So the question is telling calculate the median age. So we are going to find out the median age. Now, we very well know how to calculate median. But if you do not remember, let us refresh our mind how to calculate the median. The median is calculated with the help of a formula called, the median is calculated with the help of a formula called median is equal to L plus, median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into class height, So this is the formula for median. I believe by this time we all know the formula of the median. Now, as we got the formula of the median, let us start finding out these individual items or individual figures, like for L, n by 2, CF, F, H, and then we will put the figures in this format and in this formula, and then we can find our median data. Now guys, let us first of all find out n by 2. This is the most important thing that we need to first of all find out. We need to find out n by 2 first, so that we can find out or we can determine the cumulative frequency and then frequency. So here, if you look here, they have given the, we got the sum of the frequency is equal to 100. So our n is equal to the sum of frequency, that is equal to 100. Therefore n by 2 will be 100 upon 2, that is equal to 50. So what we got? We got n by 2 as 50. Now guys, as n by 2 is 50, so our median class will lie on the cumulative frequency row where it is just above n by 2, that is 50. So what I told, as we got n by 2 as 50, our median class will lie on the row, on the cumulative frequency row where it is just above n by 2, that is above 50. So let us look into the table once, so that it would be more clear. If you look here to this statistical table that they have given, so what we got? We got n by 2 as 50, and what we know? We know that if we get n by 2 as 50, for example, we got n by 2 is equal to 50. Now we need to determine the median class. So median class is going to be our 78. The median class here is the number which is just above the n by 2, the number which is just more than the n by 2, and we got n by 2 as 50, and the number which is more than 50 is 78 here. So this is going to, this particular row is going to be our median class row. This particular row is going to be our median class row. The 78, the data, this cumulative frequency row where 78 figure lies is going to be our median class row. This is what going to be our median class row. So after finding out the median class row, it would be now very easy to determine other things. This 33 is going to be our frequency. This 33 is going to be our frequency, and this 45 is going to be our cumulative frequency. This 45 is our cumulative frequency, and this 35 is the lower limit of the class. This 35 is the lower limit of the class. So with all these things in hand, let us put this data in the formula, and we can easily find out the median of the given data. So what we got? We got cumulative frequency is 45, frequency is 33, and lower limit is 35. And from this, as you could see that the class height is 5, because if you add 20 to 5, we are getting 25, or 25 plus 5, 30. Or in other words, if you deduct the upper class limit minus lower class limit, the difference is the class height. That means 35 minus 30 is our class height. 40 minus 35 is our class height, that is 5. So we also got the class height. Now let us put the data in this given formula and determine the median. So I can now write median is equal to, so I can now write, or instead of, before writing the things, let me first of all write the data that we extracted out from above. So what we got L is equal to, what we got L is equal to 35. Just let us take a look here. You could see that we got L is equal to 35, F is equal to 33, and CF is equal to 45. So I can write L is equal to 35. I can write L is equal to 35, F is equal to 33, F is equal to 33, and cumulative frequency is equal to 45, and class height H is equal to 5. With these data in hand, let us now find out the median. Now finding out median is really becomes very easy, because we got the required figures or the required data. Now I can write median is equal to, now I can write median is equal to L here is 35 plus n by 2. N by 2 here is 50. We found out that n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency, which is 45, upon frequency, which is 33, into class height, which is 5. Hope guys till here we are very clear, because I am explaining step by step. I believe till here we are very clear without any doubts. Now guys, I can write, or I can write, what I can write, or I can write median is equal to, or I can write median is equal to 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 into 5 upon 33 into 5 upon 33. This is what we got. What we got? We got 5 into 5 upon 33. How this is 50 minus 45 is 5, and this class height I multiplied it here. We got 5 into 5 upon 33. Or I can write median is equal to, or I can write median is equal to 35 plus 25 upon 33. Hope till here guys we are very clear. So what we got? We got median is equal to 35 plus 25 upon 33. Or I can write median is equal to 35 plus 25 upon 33, we will get 0.76. If we divide 25 with 33, we will get 0.76. Or I can write median is equal to, 35.076. Or I can write median is equal to 35.76, because I can write median is equal to 35.76, because what we got 35 plus 0.76 is nothing but 35.76. So guys, our answer is this one. Median is 35.76. Now the question asked us, what the question told us? The question asked us calculate the median age. So we can say our concluding answer here, that hence the median age is 35.76. Hence the median age is 35.76 years, because our age was given in years. So here we can write hence the median age is 35.76 years. Hope guys you understood what we did, or how we calculated out the median from the given data. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.